How to send one-time viewed video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat and log into your account. Then, click the video you want. After clicking video, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You will find arrow which is facing rightwards with infinity sign. Click on it, and as you can see, play once has been selected. After that, send, and when you try to open the snap, you can only view once. As you can see, you won't be able to view this again. And this is how to send one-time viewed video on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.